Hello and welcome once again to the Waters and Stanton video channel. A few days ago the Yaesu cashback for the end of winter finished. Good news is that they've just announced a new cashback deal that starts on the 10th of April and runs all the way through to the 30th of June. So that gives you something like 2.5 months to make up your mind whether you want to buy something and take advantage of the Yaesu cashback. So let me run through the deals one by one and you can see for yourself the savings and whether you want to take advantage or not. The Yaesu FTDX 101 MP is their flagship radio covering 160 meters through to 54 megahertz. It boasts 200 watts output and includes a combined speaker and power supply, so it's all ready to go. Just plug it into the AC mains and you're on the air with a really serious DX machine. The Yaesu FTDX 101D has got a similar specification to the 101 MP, but it's 100 watts output and doesn't have a mains power supply. That's reflected in the price, but you've still got £170 cashback. So perhaps this radio is a great buy for those that want a 100 watt transceiver with really great performance. If you like the way that the FTDX 101 series has combined the superhet design with SDR performance in the back end, then there's a budget version, the FTDX 10, and an £85 cashback. This is a really popular transceiver. Now I have a soft spot for the FT710 series. Here we have the AESS version covering 160 meters through to 54 megahertz, includes an extension speaker which enables you to manipulate slightly the audio response courtesy of the way that the speaker interfaces with the radio. But if you're not fussed about having the extension speaker, then go for the FT710 Field. That is a real bargain. Check the price on our website and then deduct £70 from it. It's unbelievable value. The Yaesu FTX Optima is one of Yaesu's more recent additions, covering 160 meters right up to 70 sems. You get 100 watts out on the HF bands, including 50 megahertz. It also covers 4 meters, 2 meters and 70 sems, where you get 50 watts output. It also includes the detachable front head. If you detach that, then you've got a self-contained 6 watt transceiver, and they include in the package the 6 amp hour battery so that you can take the front end away with you on holiday, pota sota, and get some really good and high performance QRP contacts. As well as saving £85 on the Optima version, you can also get the FTX Field. The FTX Field is the same radio, but you don't have the 100 watt PA. You still got the 6 amp hour battery and the head unit, all modes 160 meters through to 70 sems. A great QRP rig. And finally the Yaesu FT5DE. They're very popular handheld, analog and digital, dual band and some remarkable capabilities. A £70 saving on this radio. So there we are, that's the cashback deals. Just to remind you, runs from the 10th of April right through to the 30th of June. And as usual, the cashback involves you sending a copy of your invoice and serial number to Yaesu UK and you will get a cashback in due course. There is always a delay because they have to allow for the time that you might decide that you don't want the radio and take advantage of distance selling, etc., and send the radio back. That's why you have to wait. Also, don't forget that you can also take advantage of our part exchange deals. We do some great part exchange deals. If you're thinking of buying a radio that falls within the cashback and you want to do a part exchange deal, you could make some significant savings. Part exchange, give us a call or send us an email. What do we need to know? Well, we need to know obviously what the radio is. We need to know it's working. We need to know what condition is it in. Is it clean? Are there any scratches on it? Do you have the original box? Do you have the manual? That sort of thing. And we can give you a reply over the phone to give you some guidance as what you're likely to get. If the radio arrives in the condition as you describe it, then we'll honour our quotation and do the deal. There we are. So, short video, but an important video because it saves you money. And if you do a part exchange deal, saves you even more money. There we are. In the meantime, you enjoy ham radio, you take care, look forward to seeing you, as usual, in the next video. Bye for now.